mtomnyama chikitela. Chikitela mtomnyama chikitela. Panzi Hussein Panzi. Panzi HNU Panzi. Panzi HNU Panzi. Run Helen Zilla run. Run Helen Zilla run. Guy Kimei Guy. Guy Kimei Guy. Long live President Zuma, long live. Long live President Zuma, long live. Long live, 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 long live. Yolanda, Ika Madami, you want to go and give education at the Kanying. OMK Youth League, National. There's one. Comrades, I only have one or two issues. Okokuqala nje, ngicela ukubonga amaphoyisa. AkwaZulu amanye akhuluma iSpanish bese ngizokhuluma ulimi. Siyabonga ngiyalilebuka ukuthi angizange ngibophe umuntu. Siyanicela ngingabophi umuntu. Le marshi imarshi peaceful. Le marshi imarshi elwela amalungelo ethu. Ama-elections awawina khona koqo. Namhlanje iphakathi nezinsuku asikhipha ngisho amabhasi amaningi, asikhipha izitimela namatekisi, kodwa sikhuluma nje la eThekwini kukhona i-MK, naseMaspeti kukhona i-MK. Le march is very peaceful forever. Leli ilanga kuyoba khona abantu abasha abanesibindi, abantu abasha abangadayisile, abayofunda kwabantu abasha bazabalaza kweminye iminyaka. That's when all negotiations fail, when all democratic processes are closed, revolutionary violence becomes the only solution. Every land, the beautiful ones are going to be born. The courageous ones, the ones who are not fearful, the ones who are not scared, who are not scared of prison, who are not scared, who are not scared of prison. The beautiful ones are going to be born, not the cowards that are in part of. A beautiful generation is going to be born, and that generation is going to be black and beautiful. That generation is going to be a generation that is going to say, if you steal elections, if you take elections away from us, we are going to confront you by any means necessary. No change, no pushing, no money. It is that generation. Comrades, Yabonga, very nice comrades. Ukuthi ngiyamthanda ngefakani kwakhona. Ukuthi language yethu ayishintshi, sisatha ama-EPWP, abahole aqashwe njengabasebenzi, amakina, ama-security guards, masiphethe. Sisatha ama-call center, osisilethu nobhuti bethu endey, abangasebenzi ama-hours awokhoda. Sisatha o-Shoprite, othela, abahola imali enenhlonipho. They all don't have elections. Get them all done forever. Lady, it's for late. Welcome. Welcome. What's on the morning? What's on the morning? What's on the morning? Abadlali bosizi bawufana nje nawe ngisele ngayiqondile bakho neJesu bakhomba phansi. Ziyaqala challenge izibalo zamarisbek. Kunabantu abaqashiwe kumanje ukhuluma nje abangawenzanga ama-CV baqashwe njengama-PA baqashwe njengama-typist bale ema-ofisi amakhulu. Nohulumeni we-GNU ngelinye ilanga njengabantu abasha sizowuyisa. Amandla! Who left? Who right? Come on, son! Who left? Who right? Come on, son! Supreme Kondo! Alliance! Supreme Kondo! Alliance! Before we present our National Office, the Secretary of Operator, team organizer the march, team Nomakai Pagati, Gagavas Makuru, team no Rochas, Gagakuru team Pula, Nagakuru, Pesokona Ultima. Goma ya bandika maasha watu besokanizela besitakanisa ukusibela oyedwa nje wabo ngaku sindabingelele bese ke sisela ku office lika SJ makomre pengambo komre tu Rochas Manda mayibuye Hayibo beautiful nabo handsome sibonga ukuphumelela kwenu imashi yethu ibe impumelelo sithemba ukuthi ngesinlathi ithemba yeba navota uma kwenzeka sikhala phansi ukuvota nenze short nibiza nalabo abanye abebengavotanga ngenxa yokuthi isikhathi uma kwenza sikhala phansi ukuvota nibize bonke laba abaphatheke kabi njengabe-IFP aba-ANC ngenxa ye-GNU Party izobuyisa umhlaba ubuyele emakosini amakhosi siwabeka phambili sibonge lokuphumelela kwenu ngenxa yemanje niphinde recruit ngaphezu kwakuqala